Using Canva in 2023 to make a YouTube banner completely for free. Now this may look a little different than your normal Canva page, but I will walk you through step by step on how to make yours look like this and how to build a banner similar to this or even better. A quick shout out to the Fig Co who helped me create this type of video and learn some of these types of tips and tricks along the way. First things first is you want to go up here to the search bar and type in YouTube banner. Then instead of fixing an already pre-made one, you're going to create a blank YouTube banner. Now already you're probably noticing, how did I get these vertical and horizontal lines along my banner page? Well, to do that, you go up to File, go down to View Settings, and then click on Show Rulers and Guide. It just allows you to make it a little more easier and simplistic when creating your actual YouTube banner. Now we're going to draw 2 vertical lines and 2 horizontal lines. To do that, we're going to hover over the left-hand side here for our vertical lines and pull while holding, still pulling all the way across to our first horizontal or vertical line, which is going to be around 507. And then go back to this vertical line again, pull across so you get all the way to 2053. 2053. So your first 2 lines are 507 and 2053. We'll now take the horizontal line by pulling down, and our first line is going to be 508. Now it's a little tricky to exactly get it, but you can go close to it. So here, I think it'll probably end up squeezing to about 509. And then take our second line here and go down to 932. Which is right around 931 will do. It doesn't have to be exactly accurate, but if you can get it within a number or two, this is what it should look like by the end if you did it correctly. We just kind of built that area so it's easier for us to understand what will actually be showing up in different viewing formats. So to basically sum up what I was talking about, you have the 3 different areas: the TV, the laptop, and the phone, and this is how it would basically bring it down to fit those different types of screen. The TV would be the whole thing, the laptop would be this middle section here, and then the phone would just be this section in the middle. And basically from there, you're set to go and do whatever you would like with your type of design. Now, I would recommend adding a logo in this top left or top right corner. And you can go over to Uploads over here on the left and import your own image. So I'll just throw this image right here in this top left corner like I do have now. And then you can go over to text, and I used this hustle text and changed it up a little bit for my actual logo or my actual title that I actually put here. And then I went through and did a subheading, which I added right below my actual picture, or my logo in this case, and put it down here just to kind of make it fitting for this rectangular version, because most people would be seeing my YouTube banner through their phone or laptop, so it would just look best when it was smaller and confined in this space, so it was visible for everybody to see. But I normally put the logo in the top left or top right corner, and then have a title next to it, which would be my name, and then my headline or tagline or whatever I want to put underneath it, what I'm advertising, what I'm doing. So in this case, I could put investing and personal finance. Drag it over, and I always want to keep everything squared up with this side over here, or squared up with this side over here, because when I do import the image, it'll be even with each other, the logo and the title below on either side. And then once you have everything set up, all you have to do is go up to that share, download this image, and then import it into YouTube, and it will automatically fit into the space that YouTube has for their pre-made template. So I'll throw all the dimensions for these vertical and horizontal lines down in the description below, as well as just giving a shout out real quick to the Fig Co. I'll put his link in the description below as well. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, drop them down in the comment section below. Leave a like and subscribe if you're new, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.